Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how we can connect with Gemini using API. Also, I will walk you through my Python script where I have used Gemini API key to generate my landing layer data. Gemini can be used in multiple environments. Initially, we experiment using AI Studio, which is very helpful for basic prototyping. But for the real production related workloads, we integrate with Gemini APIs to connect with Gemini and use cloud native services for any applications. Authentication. Authentication is a very important concept here. API keys are mainly used for quick testing and local development. IAM-based authentication is used for production, especially when you are running on GCP, because it is very secure and scalable. One really powerful feature of Gemini is its unified SDK. Whether you are using AI Studio or Vertex AI, the code remains the same. Only thing is to change the configuration. As you can see on the screen, first we install Google GenAI. To connect with AI Studio, we simply use our API key. And to connect with Vertex AI, we just have to pass Vertex AI equal to true. This makes the migration from local development to production very smooth. Coming to the powerful point, advanced feature which is grounding, which is critical for enterprise use cases. We have search related grounding. Private grounding allows Gemini to connect with enterprise data in BigQuery or cloud storage. As you can see, this is a Google AI Studio on the screen. Here we have different options that we can use. Gemini 3 used Nano Banana for image generation, for video, all those things. And also they have given developer options to connect with the GenAI. This is a Python code. If you are into Java or JavaScript, you have that option as well. Just check how we can connect with GenAI here. Here first we have to generate an API key. So I already have one project set up. So if you don't have, you have to come here and create a new API key. Just like this, give some name and take one of your project which is already present or create new project. So if I create a test project once again, so the project is created. Here you have to set up the billing to get the benefits of GenAI. Once you click on this, you will be able to set up the billing using Google Cloud. There you have to add your credit card details. And here I will copy my API key and set it in my local. Let me show you how we can access that programmatically. Let me go back to my script from GitHub. As you can see here, I'm importing GenAI module. Here I initialize Gemini client using GenAI module for reusability. I pass the API key to connect with it. Now this client will be responsible for all the interactions that I will be making with Gemini model. Now let's go to our use case. In this case, I needed customer data, product data, and orders data for my data engineering pipeline. Instead of asking Gemini for free text responses, design a prompt in such a way that forces structured output. For example, customer IDs, product details, or order informations. This is extremely useful for data engineers. As structured data can be flowed into our pipeline. As you can see, once Gemini provides the response, I converted it to a list of details which in turn can be created as a data frame, which is my use case. To generate content, we need model contents, which is our prompt, and configurations where I'm saying that it is a JSON data and the schema which I have enforced it. As you can see the prompt, I'm saying generate 50 synthetic customer records, use sequential IDs starting from CUST001, return JSON key customers. Similarly for product prompt, generate this number of synthetic product records across apparel, electronics and home goods, return JSON key products. I am generating data frame using the function which I wrote here by passing this prompt as well as product dataset. This product dataset I have created using Pydantic based model. Pydantic helps you to define the structure of the data and validate automatically. Once after generating products and customers, I am going to generate orders. Here I am just validating whether both the data frames are not empty. After that, I am generating orders data frames based on some rules. After generating these data frames, the main thing is to load it to BigQuery. And the next step is nothing but loading these data frames into my BigQuery schema. So this is how I connected Gemini using APIs and used it for my data engineering use case. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can just comment or send it as a message. I'll respond back. Thank you.